Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can add themes in your GNOME and give your desktop a elegant look. To add themes we need two important packages, that is gnome-tweaks and extensions. These will allow us to add themes to our desktop. Let us download it. Follow these steps to download the packages. Terminal and type the command sudo dnf install gnome-tweaks. Remember to put -, in between gnome and tweaks. Now enter the sudo password and the packages will start downloading. I use dnf command because I am using Fedora 35 OS, but you should use your package manager command. I will give the commands in the descriptions for your Linux distributions. I have already downloaded it, so it's showing nothing to do. Let us install extensions package. In Linux we call software as package, don't confuse. Open your software app and search for extensions and install it. I have already installed it, as you can see. Now let's download some good themes. Open the browser and search GNOME Orcus theme. Click on the Orcus GTK theme GNOME look or. As the website opens in the download section, select the first option or whatever you like. I like this theme, so I am downloading it. There are many other themes, browse some and download it. After that you will be directed to GitHub site. There copy the code, open the terminal and type the command git clone and paste the copied code.
Use cd command to enter Orcus directory. Oops, try with capital O, then enter this command. Now it has successfully installed. Now let's install some extensions. Open the link in the description. Search floating dock. Here you can see that it has on-off option. If you didn't add GNOME shell integration extension, then this option will not appear. First let's add the browser extension. Click on this link and download. After downloading you will be able to see the on-off option. Turn it on. You will see a pop-up message, have install button. Install it. Because I have already downloaded it, I will not show to me. Next search top bar and select hide top bar and turn it on. Next, optimize extension. This will create a wavy window effect. Next, add user theme extension.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing side.
If you want to know your internet speed, add this extension. There are more extensions. Browse and pick what you like. Let's find some cursor themes. Click on the cursor gnome-look.org. I like this one, let's download it. I will download first one. Clicking on that takes you to GitHub site. Click on the code and copy the code. Open the terminal. Type git clone and paste the copied code. And the package will be installed. There are many cursor themes. Download what you find best for you. Enable the extensions we have downloaded. You can also configure them. Hide top bar allows you to use entire desktop screen. If you disable it, you can see that we can't use full screen. In user theme, change the default to anything else which you like. Open Tweaks and select your desired theme and appearance. Select the download cursor theme. For the icon theme, I already have Tila theme. You can see here the new icons. Let's find another one. You can find theme, cursor theme and icon theme all in gnome-look.org website. Click on this link.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh, I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh, do is say goodbye.
Browse and select your desired theme. Download the icon theme you like and extract it.
Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many.
Choose a theme of your choice.
So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
Browse and select your desired theme. I like this one, so I'm downloading it. Download the icon theme you like and extract it.
Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
Move the file to the .theme file. Follow these steps to download and install themes. I didn't like the theme I downloaded, so I am downloading another one. For this one also same steps: download, extract and move to .icons directory. It's same for themes also.
Get up, cause we gon' light up this place. We got that business for days. Don't keep GA from the outer space. So cover and dock, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us. To get on your feet, stand up, stand up, come on, get loose with the heat. Right now, we go party till we black out. So get the fuck up.
All the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Born to the